Hello and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be the second video of Pfsense Openvpn configuration, and in this video we will test our Openvpn client on the Ubuntu server. So in the previous one, what we did, just an overview of this video, we installed Openvpn server, and then we also created certificates for that and the firewall rules. If you want to learn about that, you can go to the other video. And because in this video we're not going to discuss about creating VPN server or VPN client, we will be just testing our user, what we created in user manager test VPN into our Ubuntu machine. Okay, so to test this user on Ubuntu server, we need different kind of configuration files. So first of all, let me load my Ubuntu machine, and this one you can consider it's installed on my Windows machine. And if you want to learn about this, then you can comment me on this video. I will definitely would love to show you how you can do that. So it's considered as another application on the top of your Windows machine. You don't need to install any VMware or anything else. Okay, so first of all, let me show you the version of Ubuntu. So it's 2404 and it's a server edition. You can see it's command line, not GUI. And I'm just gonna minimize this one because first of all we're going to download the configuration for our Ubuntu machine. Oops, Openvpn client export. And here we are going to download all the configuration files. So if I click on config file only, it will download the OVPN file, but in Ubuntu we need I guess 3 files. So I'm just going to click on archive, and once it's downloaded, I'm going to go to my folder, and here you can see we have this zip file. I'm just going to unextract it, and yeah, now you can see we have this 3 files .key, and this is going to be, I guess, the cert file, and this is the configuration file. So just copy all this and then go to your machine of Ubuntu. Like if you have more than one machine installed on the top of your Windows, you will see all here, but I have just Ubuntu. I'm going to this one, etc, and so first I have to install Openvpn client, and then I will see the folder here. So if I go to this one, and always do first apt update and then install anything. I just did apt update already, so I'm just going to install apt install Openvpn. Yeah, I think it's already installed, or otherwise if you don't have it, it will just it's going to take just 2 MBs. And then after that I'm going to copy the configuration as I did. If I refresh this page and type O, I can see OVPN, and under client I'm just going to paste all this. Okay, and then close this because our task is done here. And if I go to etc OpenVPN client, I should see 3 files here. So this is P2, I guess this is for cert or something. And then I'm going to see the configuration file actually, which is going to be this with Openvpn. And here you can see all the details: the remote IP address, the port number, the cert name, and then it's going to, yeah, so it's going to use this file .p12. You should have this one, and the key file. So first of all, I'm just going to try connecting as it is without changing any configuration. So you can consider we are not doing the split tunneling currently, and we will check that in the next config after editing some configuration. So let's connect this one. To connect this, we type openvpn --config and then the path of the file. So it's going to be etc openvpn client fw1 tcp 1194 and dash test underscore vpn dot ovpn and warning file. This is the group of other accessible OpenVPN SSL. Okay, so that was just a warning message, but we can ignore that one. So you can see here it's asking for the username, which is test underscore VPN. You can see it here. I don't know if I'm showing my mouse pointer or not, because I have seen some comments, people saying please hide your mouse pointer. So I did some settings on the OBS. I don't know if you guys are seeing mouse pointer or not, but on the other side it's highlighting. You can see the username is test VPN. Hit enter, and then the password, what I set something. Okay, initializing sequence completed 172.16200.2. so congratulations, we are able to connect to the VPN server. Okay, so sequence is completed, but I won't be able to do anything here on this session, so I'll need to open up another session. And if you're using PuTTY, then make sure you have two sessions open, or on the other side, if you have another application, we can use that as well. And if you want to know the name of that, let me know, because it's going to be a complete video on that. And that application is called Screen, and we can do multiple sessions on that one as well. Okay, so let's check the IP address by typing IPA. So here you can see we have a tunnel interface. Previously we had all this information, and in the tunnel network you can see I have 172.16200.2. and let me try pinging my web server. You can see I can ping it. So that means the tunnel, the split tunnel is not yet configured for the Ubuntu server. So let's go back and check the configurations one more time. So before going to see the settings, I want to check one thing. So if I do curl s it's if config.me, yeah, here you can see it's showing me the IP address of Pfsense, not my ISP address. So we need to go to Pfsense and change the configuration. Okay, under Pfsense configuration, I'm just going to click on redirect IPv4. I'm just going to uncheck this one and then click on save. Okay, configurations are saved. Now let's check again. Okay, first let's checking by pinging this IP address. If I can ping it, I can ping it. And then if I do curl -s if config.me to check the public IP address, boom, there you go. Now you can see we have the local ISP public IP address, but we are still connected to the VPN server. So that's how you connect the OpenVPN server on Ubuntu, OpenVPN client on Ubuntu server with the split tunneling. So it's not that difficult, but if you want to change any more configuration, like if you want to add any kind of route, you can do that as well. If you go to the etc openvpn and the client folder, if you want to change any setting, you need to do this on OVPN settings. Here you can see everything, and in case if you want to route any traffic to change the IP address or whatever you want to do a configuration, you will do this in this file. All right, I would say that's it for today. And if I missed anything, or if you wanted to like learn something else as you commented on this video, just comment me below if that was something that like one-liner code or something. I'll reply you in the comment, or there will be another video for that. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.